So what's up, guy? This is Cassie. So also, this is one of the trade I took on NZDJPY. Let me share it with you guys. This is one of the trade I took on NZ. This is one of the trade I took this week also. Sorry, NZDJPY currency pair. So actually, this trade did more than 1:10, but I stick to 1:3 no matter what. Once I've gotten my 1:3, I'm okay. So what was the story behind this particular trade? So I took this trade off the 15 minutes time frame, but when I'm taking trade, I want to, first of all, when I open the chart, I come to the 4 hours time frame. I want to look for some certain things. Once I've seen it, I now go to the higher time frames to make sure that if I'm taking a sell, I want on the monthly time frame market to be selling, and on the weekly time frame market should be selling. On the daily time frame market should be selling, and most importantly, on the 4 hours time frame market should be selling. And that is how I take trades. You understand? So if market is buying, I want on this higher time frame market should be buying. So what was the story behind this NZDJPY? I took this trade because it was market was at the premium zone, so I was expecting market to sell down to the discount zone. You understand? So actually, if you look at on the monthly time frame, if you look at NZDJPY, you will notice that this was our last swing structure. So our last swing structure, and if you are to check it out, market is actually on the premium zone. You understand? Market was actually on the premium zone. Okay, this was another swing structure here, which I marked out. Market was on the premium zone. So I was expecting market to come down to the discount zone before buying up. So if you come down to the weekly time frame, you understand better. So this was a BOS, this was a BOS, and here also was a BOS. 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 So we had, so if I'm to check, because I like checking whether market respects my rule before whether the pair respects my rule, because most of the time some pairs are funny. So I just check, okay, here market tapped to the discount zone, which is still cool a little bit. And here market tapped on the discount zone. And to measure from here to here, market tapped on the discount zone. So now this was our last, what pushed me to take that trade. This was our last, this guy here. Before this thing sold down to here, market was actually here. The day I took that trade. So here, from here to here, market hasn't sold down to the discount zone. You understand? Market hasn't sold down to the discount zone. So I took this trade because I knew that market was definitely going to sell down to my analysis was that market was going to sell down to the discount zone. And since market is selling, I now came down to the daily time frame, you understand, and went down to the 4 hours time frame. And what was I looking for? I was looking for just two swing structure. I don't know if you're a newbie to trading, you might not understand this if you don't know your market structure very well. So you have to just go and learn your market structure. So what was the two swing? This guy here was a lower high, and this guy was a lower low. And this guy here was taken out by this guy, making this guy a higher high, and this guy was your higher low. You understand? And this was your valid higher low because it created this higher high here. So this was our last higher high. So everything that was happening inside here was internal structures. So we get a guy that takes this guy out, or the guy that took out this guy at the top. And what did we have? We now got a guy that took out this higher low here, creating a lower low. This guy was our lower high. This guy was our lower low. So first time when I came to the 4 hours time frame, I saw these things. You understand? I saw this thing, and this was what I was looking out for. So when I saw it immediately, I now had to go to the higher time frames to do my top-down analysis. Because before I take trades, I always like to go to the higher time frame to do my top-down analysis. So I went to the higher time frame to do my top-down analysis, and everything was just as I wanted. And I said, yes, this is the trade I'm going to take. So this was a lower low, this was a lower low, which is two break, confirming a change of trend, because one break doesn't actually confirm change of trend. So what did I scaled down to the 15 minutes time frame to take this trade, of liquidity. of liquidity. So this was the high, and this was a protected high that took out this high, and this was our liquidity. You can see our liquidity, and you can see how market came, tapped into it swiftly, and dumped. This market did more than 1:, I think it almost did about 1:10. But like I told you, this I target just 1:3. You understand? So once I've gotten my 1:3, I'm going off the market. I'm going off the market. I'm okay with 1:3. You understand? If you can do 1:5, 1:7, but I prefer 1:3. You understand? So when I got my 1:3, and so this thing happened. It wasn't up to 24 hours. So that was the story.